Think about the last time you made a significant purchase. A new caravan, home renovations, your dream pool, or an investment of your time in a coaching program. Price is not the ultimate determinant of a sale. When it comes to higher value products and services which your client has a strong emotional attachment to, perceived risk will always outweigh price. So what are your clients risking to buy what you are selling? Their time, money, their ego, reputation, or confidentiality? The brain space required to work with you? To identify perceived risk, SalesSPACE clients complete a risk reduction table. Once you identify the perceived risks, decide how your solution addresses them. Then craft sales messages, claims, or actions that will consciously reduce it. Let's put this into action. Imagine you're a coach, photographer, or architect, someone whose schedule is tight. The perceived risk is convenience. Can you work within your client's schedule rather than you set the appointments? What's your solution? How will you reduce their perceived risks? Maybe offer after-hour consultations. How will you communicate your solutions? Update your website, contact page, my Google business listing, or run ads on Facebook. Complete the table for all known perceived risks. You'll be amazed by your confidence to respond to client objections. If you need help crafting sales messages that eliminate your client's risk, check out salesspace.com.au. Or if you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll answer them. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, subscribe to our channel, and tell other people about it.